Hello schema lovers, in this video I'm going to show you how you can have multiple addresses for your local business. For example, if your local business is available at multiple locations, you may add multiple addresses for your local business. So let's check the existing schema that we have on the website. This is of my website, and in the backend I have an advanced schema set up. This is my local business schema. In this local business schema, I have different options available, and I have added an address as well. This is my postal address format, and this address has a street address, city, region, country, and postal code. So let's check it on the front end as well. And on the schema markup validator, we have a local business schema. And if I scroll down, I have an address. This contains all of the information that I have added in my website backend. So my goal is to add another address for my local business. So let's go to the localbusiness schema.org website and check for the addresses. What option do we have? For the address, we have a postal address option, and if I scroll down, I also have a location option. I can add my address as a location as well. So this is just a preference, your preference. You can add it as an address or you can add it as multiple locations. It depends upon you. So I'm going to show you both ways how you can add it as an address and location. So let's add it as an address for now. So I'm going to create a new field and I'm going to use it as an address. So I'm putting address here, and for the label, let's label it as address 2, and this is going to be a postal address format. So I'm selecting a postal address so the child properties can populate accordingly. So let's select a street address here. I can select address here, and I'll see all of the options that can that are related to addresses. So let's select the street address. I do not want to link it with anything because this is going to be a fixed value. So 147 Green Street, let's say this is my dummy address. Let's name it as street and add another field, and this is going to be address locality. I do not want to link it, and in this let's green river area. Okay, so this is a locality, and then add another field. I'm just keeping it simple, so I'm just adding the country, address country, and in this country we are going to use US, and this is a country. So I have added 3 fields here. You can add multiple, depends upon you. And right now we have street, locality, and country in the address 2 field. So let's update our schema and test the schema once again. Here is my local business, and inside that I have an address field. This was previously added, and this is the newly added address that we have just added. In this address we have street address 147 Green Street, Green River area, and country. And if I go to the local business and add it as a location, I need to provide it as a postal address. I can provide it as a postal address. So let's use this second address as a location now. So I'm going back to my original schema, and in the address field I'm going to use it as a location. I'm just changing this address to location. So we have a location, and we can provide it as a postal address, so these fields can remain the same. So let's label it as a location as well, just for our reference, and update the schema. Now let's check it on the front end as well. Okay, we have a local business, and inside the business schema we have an address and a location available. So you can add multiple location as well just by creating another field here. If you have any question, please let us know. Thank you. Bye bye.